今晚係隆重首映 ，We have a gala premiere。Yes， 電影嘅名叫做《不赦之罪》。The film by the title of Valley of the Shadow of Death. Without further ado, may I introduce a beautiful lineup of people. Are you ready? Okay, 準備介紹兩位導演林善 Jeffrey Lam as well as 譚善良 Antonio Craig. Everybody gets 2 sentences so that we can watch the film as soon as possible.
大家好，我係呢部戲嘅導演林善啦。
講多一句得唔得？ He just introduced himself.
好多謝大家星期一10點呢個咁夜嘅時間都願意嚟睇我哋呢部電影啦。
Thank you for coming Monday evening at 10 p.m. This is a fairly late slot. Thank you for filling this hall.
我第一次睇呢個劇本嘅時候，大概係4年前。咁我嗰陣已經好想拍，但係覺得係好難有機會揾到投資。咁好多謝香港電影工作者總會嘅總會拍電影呢個計劃啦，令我哋有機會去拍呢個。
I am very fortunate because it was actually 4 years ago that I read the script. I was very interested in it, but you can imagine how difficult it is to actually try and find funding. So I must thank the Keep Rolling, Keep Running scheme of the Federation of Hong Kong Filmmakers for investing in this film. Thank you.
我記得我細個咧就睇國際電影節大嘅，所以咧今日特別好榮幸可以喺呢度播嘅電影。多謝大家嚟睇。
I grew up watching lots and lots of films at the Hong Kong International Film Festival, so I'm just very, very honored that I'm here on stage.
喺呢個時間都見到有咁多人嚟睇呢部戲，令我深深咁樣感受到呢個宇宙係真係有神嘅。
Appreciate that there is God in this universe.
Amen. 我通常喺呢個場地咧係真人表演嘅，但係今日咧係一個電影大銀幕嘅表演。對於我嚟講係一個好有意義、好令我覺得好興奮嘅一件事。不過唔好彩就係我哋陣間都要行出去，我睇唔到個頭嘅，所以我唔知點算而家。
Okay, I am very happy to be here on this stage. Normally, I'm on the stage performing live theater. This time, I'm appearing on the screen, on the big screen, and I'm very, very much anticipating and expecting wonderful things. However, I know that I'll be rushing, so I do want to catch as much as possible of the beginning. Okay.
大家好，我係不赦之罪演員George歐振豪。好感恩不赦之罪嘅團隊可以帶我嚟到呢個咁莊重嘅舞台，希望大家今晚可以好好 enjoy 呢套電影。Thank you.
Thank you, the team that I'm able to be here on this stage and to share with you this film. I hope you will like it.
Hello， 大家好，我係不赦之罪嘅演員陳舒恩 China。咁我舊年咧
I am China.
Thank you。咁我舊年都有嚟國際電影節睇戲啦。咁舊年我就坐喺嗰度嘅，今年我就可以企喺呢一度啦。咁好感恩有呢個機會啦。係咁多。Thank you.
Again, I'm a big fan of the Hong Kong International Film Festival. I remember very distinctly sitting somewhere in the middle of the hall here, but this time I'm on stage. Very, very thankful.
大家好，我係不赦之罪嘅演員新華陳志軒，好多謝，我想多謝觀眾啦，多謝你哋抽時間嚟睇《不赦之罪》呢部電影，多謝你哋。
Thank you for taking the time at this time to be watching this film. Thank you. Jack.
係，我係監製 Jack。咁嘅，頭先多謝總會啦，都要多謝多次總會啦。另外就係多謝我台前咁多位演員啦，多謝你哋配合我哋嘅時間表，好緊張咁去演出啦。同埋我哋其實咧台下邊仲有部分工作人員喺度㗎，咁就有美術啊，我可能講唔晒啦，音樂啊，幫你唱歌嘅，同埋做生的即係仲有好多工作人員喺度一齊嘅。好多謝大家一齊嚟，希望你哋。套戲我哋之後有啲討論咁你諗定啲問題問我哋。
Okay, thank you for coming, and I also, of course, thank you everybody on stage today. It has been a great team that they actually put out their time to be participating in it. Also in the audience are many people in the production team, behind the scenes, and must thank all of them. And this film had already shown in Tokyo before, and so I hope that while you're watching this film, think up questions for us. There will be a Q&A afterward. Thank you. 一陣有問答時段，準備問題啦。Thank you. Okay, without further ado, let's watch the film. 影相係睇戲啦，睇戲啦。I hope that all questions will be short, and if you have a question, please start raising your hand and we will be ready. So let me now, actually now I see somebody on the side. Let me now introduce our two directors, as well as our amazing leading cast, Anthony Wong and Terry Wong, and Louisa, I see her coming out, and Sheena George. Okay. Great, 一齊啦。OK， 有問題嘅請你哋舉手。If anybody has a question, raise your hand。第五行中間白恤衫，唔該。快啲。OK，we need 問嘅問題要短啊嚇。
係好快嘅啫。想問下中間咧有一道門啦，用咗一個好特寫嘅鏡頭啦，係一道啡色嘅門同埋一個鐵閘嘅門。我想問下呢兩個呢個 shot 係有咩隱喻
？Okay, there's a brown gate or a brown door. Just want to know what type of a symbolism that is.
其實冇好深嘅隱喻，但係嗰一場戲，我諗好開頭嘅時候已經聽咗，我哋唔想嗰個強姦嗰個場面係俾觀眾見到，反而係希望佢哋係想像入面見到。咁所以就嗰度有一個比較長嘅一個 track 後嘅鏡頭去拍嗰一場戲。亦都因為嗰個回憶其實係阿 George 即係阿樂個角色敍述緊，佢講到嗰個位嘅時候，其實佢唔想再去面對，所以就有一個好似我哋見到有一個咁 dramatic 嘅先，但係個鏡頭慢慢拉遠嘅感覺。
It's a dramatic scene, but actually the door is closed, as you might remember, and the reason is that then the rape scene is not actually portrayed. We wanted to be the intensity of it, to actually be felt without seeing. Okay? Another question. 黑色衫第七行中間，黑色衫第七行中間，唔該。Very good questions, very short question， 短嘅。
你好，我想問下父母咧，即係黃秋生同埋蘇玉華咧，即係點樣揣摩嗰種對嗰個仇人嗰 嗰個年青人咧，即係傷害咗自己女兒，即係嗰種仇恨。我睇到做黃秋生，又好似原諒又原諒唔到，又好似佢即係唔俾個女墮胎，所以引致個女死。老婆又好似好憎佢老公，即係點樣傳播嘅角色，可唔可以分享下咧
Amazing psychological acting by the two of you regarding that whole borderline between love and hate, whether you forgive or not forgive the young man. 原諒你哋啲戲做得咁好，你哋講下啦，點揣摩呢個角色 ？The character.
揣摩。
係啊。
問導演啊。
Okay, how we do it? Very easy. Ask the director regarding the interpretation as well as all that conflict between love and hate, forgiveness. Louisa.
我尊重導演。
我而家問導演嘛，導演話俾我哋聽點做㗎嘛。
We follow the directions of our directors. 咁多啊？你講啦。
我費事霸佔時間，你講。
我哋嗰陣同阿秋生溝通嘅時候咧，就係想其實佢自己都唔知道嗰個應該點樣面對呢個人，因為如果佢原諒佢咧，其實佢唔係一個爸爸嘅角色咯。但同一時間咧，如果佢完全仇恨佢咧，佢又做唔到個牧師嘅角色，所以有一種係神人交戰嘅狀態。
So this is actually interesting because clearly the character, for example, Anthony's character, it is between, as the father, clearly you don't want to forgive somebody who raped your daughter. However, as a pastor, professionally, you really have to forgive somebody. So it's really a matter of that struggle in between and that borderline, that line that flips from one to the other.
而我覺得阿蘇嘅角色咧係其實成套戲最人性嘅一個角色嚟嘅，即係佢唔俾自己放低呢件事，佢過唔到，佢就俾自己過唔到。
And Louisa is the most human because really it is something that she could not forgive, something that she could not let go. Good.
係咪啊？我都話導演好清楚。
See, the director is very clear. Thank you. Okay, 第三個問題 ，another question, side. 冇問題，我哋可以走㗎嚇。Okay, second row. 唔使，要有咪先得。你大嗌俾我哋聽到，佢哋後邊聽唔到你把靚聲啊嘛。
我想問下歐振豪喺代入阿樂呢個角色嘅時候啦，咁因為你話梁牧師原諒你嘅時候，你就會原諒晴晴。咁其實呢一個嗰個關鍵性係喺邊度咧？其實因為以梁牧師嚟講嘅話，其實只有神可以原諒人，人係唔可以原諒決定呢件事咯。
So this is now regarding George and your role about how you 你就覺得前嗰兩樣嘢係點樣？你神原諒人，人原諒人。Okay, good. Very simple. 因為牧師原諒你，就覺得你已經係俾人原諒晒嚇，而係咪呢個咁嘅情況咧 ？So the thing is about 係點樣樣 ？How could George, you having been forgiven by the pastor, feel that you can also forgive other people? For example, the young girl Sheena.
多謝你條問題先。呢條問題應該導演答到嘅。
Okay, again, this is a great question for our directors. Well, you can imagine, this is actually our work and process. When we were working, when we were shooting, when we were really working on this script, this is the process. 啱嘛？
嗰陣同阿 George 討論嘅時候咧，其實佢嗰個角色係佢覺得佢明白到神嘅愛，所以咧佢一直以嚟對嗰個女仔嘅仇恨咧都可以釋放出嚟。
Well, in that way, we are interpreting in that he actually, George, could feel God's love, and therefore he felt empowered that he could also forgive the girl.
因為其實呢個故仔咧，每個人咧都覺得佢自己 entitled 有資格去原諒人，即係譬如牧師覺得佢有資格原諒個強姦犯啦，而其實阿蘇呢個角色咧，佢係同緊神都有一種即係佢憎恨嘅係神啦，咁而阿 George 咧佢憎恨嘅就係晴晴。
So basically, everybody in every character has something that they are mad at and then had to forgive. Whether it's God, whether it is George regarding the young girl, or whether it's mother, as in Louisa, being also mad. at God and what happened to her family. OK， 時間無多啦，真係。仲有冇問題 ？OK， 好，後邊尾4行又係黑色衫嘅，唔該。
唔該你啊，都係想問翻兩位導演，尤其是係編劇啦，想問下喺構思呢個故事想去複雜化善同惡呢個討論嘅時候咧，最大嘅困難係咩？同埋套戲出到嚟有冇令到你哋覺得有啲可惜嘅位喺整個討論上面
Okay, two things. One is that in developing the script, how you developed it and all that, what is the origin, and the other one is now that the film is made, are there any specific points, specific scenes that you felt that 你話係特別好、特別成功嘅、特別希望可以再拍啊、補拍嘅位啊？可惜啊嚇！Yeah, things that you felt that you could do better. 有俾 OK, now it's no. 你要答啊，逼你就答啊。
我諗喺嗰個善同惡嗰度，我諗其中一個最大嘅困難，我哋討論個人物嘅時候就係、好多時候我哋會驚觀眾點樣睇嗰兩個角色，即係佢哋覺得佢哋都係正義或者可以寬恕到其他，但係咁觀眾睇嘅時候會唔會好反感或者有唔同嘅睇法咧
So the question is that, that line between good and evil, as well as actually, how about the audience's reaction when they actually see these characters? Would they at some point just felt that they had actually been over too much on one side rather than the other?
但係當我哋去討論個劇本或者準備個拍攝嘅時候，其實我哋就慢慢放低咗呢個包袱，覺得唔緊要，因為呢個戲到最後出嚟一定係有佢一定嘅爭議性，即係唔同嘅人會有唔同嘅睇法，但係我哋覺得呢個戲正就想做到呢一點。
But we feel that, there's this complexity, and that is actually the baggage that is already inherent in the script and this film, that maybe different people would see it and then interpret and identify with it in different ways, which is fine. Okay, another question? 頭先呢邊，冇人舉手啊，係咪啊？冇啊？咁啊，好啦，第二行呢一位，繼續舉手，戴眼鏡嘅繼續舉手，唔該。
我想問導演嘅係咧，其實隨住個故事嘅演進咧，其實我睇到咧，其實每一個人喺個故事裏邊都有衍生嘅罪，有罪發生出咗嚟嘅。想問係咪特登演繹出嚟嘅咧
Okay, as the evolution of the story, you could feel that, there is sin, there is guilt in every single character. Is it something intentional?
都係我哋嘅 intention 嚟嘅，因為牧師成日講一句説話咧，就係人人都係罪人，所以我哋冇資格去寬恕人，因為我哋都係罪人，我哋唔係神。
Right, yes, indeed. Remember that, in the biblical teaching, the pastor would say, all men are guilty. We were all born with sin.
喺聖經裏邊咧有句説話咧，佢話如果你唔去原諒人嘅罪咧，神都唔會原諒你嘅罪。
In the Bible, there is a line that if you do not forgive others, God will not forgive you.
咁我寫嘅時候，我一直都思考呢一句説話嘅，因為我就係覺得寬恕人好難，但係你竟然同我講咧，我唔可以唔寬恕人。
And when I was developing the script, I really felt that, hey, it is really difficult to forgive people. And yet in the Bible, the teaching is that you must learn to forgive. Okay? Another question? 呢度第5行，唔該，側邊呢度又係黑色衫嘅，好多黑色衫呢度。Thank you。
係，我想問一問導演或者編劇咧，其實個劇名就不赦之罪啦，英文其實就係死蔭幽谷。咁其實嗰個好似咁多個主角嚟講，我覺得只有佐治先走過呢個死蔭幽谷，係咪特別個安排咁樣咧
？This is regarding the title, The Valley of Death. And really, in this entire story, the person who really went through the Valley of Death would be George. So is it something that is deliberate?
其實呢個名幾得意嘅，因為我哋其實最初拍咧就係叫不赦之罪啦，但係咁英文名咧就係拍完晒先至改嘅。咁係因為我覺得呢一個名講死蔭幽谷，其實反映到戲入面每一個人嘅狀態，佢哋都係經歷緊佢哋嘅死蔭幽谷。但係至於最後佢哋有冇走出到咧，我諗呢個可能交翻俾觀眾去諗。即係譬如牧師嗰個角色，佢最後係離開個教會，佢冇做牧師，但係咁對佢嚟講係一件好事唔好事，佢有冇走出到？咁我覺得呢個我可以交翻俾佢。
Actually, I have to add, because the Chinese title of this, 不赦之罪, is actually means it's unpardonable guilt or unpardonable sin. So it's a very different way it is in the English title, Valley of Death. Okay? So that's the difference, but however, we actually felt that this is something that everybody went through in this story, and So yeah, so the English title of the Valley of Death is actually something we felt that everybody also went through in this script, in this film. Okay, but it was actually a later addition, a later decision to have that English title. 最後一個問題 last question, short. OK， 呢一邊嘅白色衫舉手嘅，我對唔住，我淨係睇到你着咩衫顏色嘅咋，白色衫 OK，thank you. Lady in white。
我好好奇咧，咁主耶穌基督孭住十字架係釘十字架為咗洗去我哋嘅罪啦。咁點解會有一幕咧諗住要一個罪犯去孭住十字架赤腳咁樣上山嘅過點？
Okay, this has to do with the scene of literally bearing the cross, a very strong scene. 點解會揀呢一個 scene？ 點解會選擇有呢個 scene 喺度？
其實呢個 scene 咧，首先我哋要多謝秋生哥嘅，因為呢個 scene 咧其實係秋生哥當時同我哋圍讀嘅劇本嘅時候咧，佢自己提議嘅。
We must thank Anthony very much that actually during the table reading he said at this scene it was his suggestion. 多謝多謝。
你想唔想補充下秋生？係苦路，點解你會諗到苦路？
都唔知咩叫苦路，你話俾我聽嘅啫。
因為其實咧
係咩？你肯定係我諗出嚟嘅。
Okay, there's an argument. I don't know whether anybody is sure what happened. 咁點啊？
你補充少少。
因為我成日講嗰啲嘢，做嗰啲嘢，我自己都唔記得。
Sorry, I don't always remember what I said.
正經啲嘅答法就係咧，因為其實行。
我頭先好唔正經。
少少。
I'm staying out of this.
大家覺得我正唔正經啊
？Am I serious? Yes, I am serious.
恐懼你見到佢哋。
你講啊！你講啊！俾你講你嘅。
俾我講係咪 ？OK， 咁係咁樣嘅。阿樂呢個角色點解佢孭十字架咧？就係其實係一種牧師咧，既好似幫佢，同一時間咧又好似折磨佢嘅一個精神虐待啦叫做。
Okay, actually thinking of bearing that cross. Yes, it is a way of maybe trying to help him, but at the same time, it's absolute torture. 唔止精神添啊，仲有身體啊。It's physical and psychological torture.
但係同一時間咧，透過孭呢十字架咧，其實阿樂咧係感受到自己好似同基督同為一體嘅感覺。
But the bearing of the cross, that physical experience of that, then of course makes Locke feel much closer to Jesus Christ.
我補充一句。
最後一句啦嚇，冇㗎啦。
嗰個上山其實係成套戲唯一一幕係走出咗嗰個局促同埋室內嘅空間。
Okay, but remember that actually most of the scenes were indoors, and that scene up the hill, 飛鵝山, is the only one that is outdoors.
行到尾嘅時候就係佢哋成套戲最接近神嘅一個時候。
So that actually, if you look at it and think, watch it again, basically when they reached the end of that, that was actually the closest the two of them were.
阿牧師太太提醒我。
Yes。
長戲就唔係我諗嘅，咩話？
係上飛鵝山。
上飛鵝山係我諗嘅。
Okay, thank you, Lisa. Reminder now, set the record straight. The scene of bearing the cross wasn't Anthony Perry Wong's idea, but going up to Fei Ngo Shan, very iconic in Hong Kong, was his idea.
我就話：我話個戲點樣咧唔緊要，最緊要觀眾睇到咁靚仔孭住個十字架行到身水身汗，哇！真係好激鬼啦，係咪？They
say, well, apparently the best part is seeing such an absolutely handsome young man bearing the cross and completely covered in sweat. 我諗要收檔啦。
我一句啫，開場嘅時候我提過，我哋仲有啲工作人員喺中間嗰度嘅。不如你哋一齊企起身。
Okay, thank you. The rest of
阿陸哥啦，輝哥啦，Lee啦，陸浩啦，全色景倫，B B 喺咪度啊？呢個我都有，喺度。仲有
叫人買飛啊！緊要。
Okay, tell your friends. Support Hong Kong Film. Support this amazingly beautiful film.
Amazing.